Ever wonder why your dog does certain things or acts a certain way? Or do you wonder why you're calmer when you're by your pup? A new University of Nebraska lab is searching for those answers for you. I give you a look at the new Canine Cognition and Human Interaction Lab this morning.
And then we have the actual test room.
It's a concept from another country.
This is Coda.
Jeff Stevens, an associate professor in the Department of Psychology and the Center for Brain Biology and Behavior at the University of Nebraska, modeled his Canine Cognition and Human Interaction Lab at UNL after the Clever Dog Lab in Vienna after taking a sabbatical there.
What do dogs think? How do they perceive their environment?
At the lab in Austria's capital, researchers seek to learn things like problem-solving abilities of dogs and look at their relationship with humans. Stevens saw the opportunity for similar studies right here at home.
So understanding how dogs inhibit and how we can help them inhibit things that we don't want them to do is really important.
Through a series of games involving treats, Stevens, with the help of his team of students and grad students, hoped to study things like patience and risk attitudes in dogs.
Okay, Coda. Okay.
One of the ways they'll be collecting data.
There we go.
So that's what we want to see. We want to see the dog that goes to the treats that have more at a farther distance away.
Through community events like a dog fest and word of mouth, Stevens and his team are signing folks and their pups up to take part in the new lab, set to officially start in the coming weeks. Graduate student Elise Thayer is a fan of their setup.
You can actually see what you're doing and how you're helping.
Surveillance cameras record each test session and help owners watch while not distracting their dogs. But there will be times when canines and their owners are tested together.
How does interacting with animals, dogs specifically, influence our stress levels, which then can translate into influencing our cognition and our decision making?
Stevens also hopes to learn more about how dogs affect human behavior and study therapy dogs and even police canines. The whole study will take years, but the results should be rewarding in the end.
There's no more. I'm sorry.
It's really cool what they're going to do. Jeff says they are always looking for new dogs to test, and it doesn't matter age, breed, or size. If you'd like to participate, we'll have more info on our website, 3newsnow.com. I need to sign my dog up for that.
Right?
Because it's very cool.
Yeah.
They need a huge database. So if you're thinking your dog would be good, all dogs are great for that. And
like once the guy there found the food, that one went up real quick off the ground.
it's all about treats, and
Yes,
a lot of
it
dogs
is.
are treat motivated. And